23 Things, How Library 2.0 is Transforming Today's Libraries by Amanda Schoen. What is the 23 Things program? The 23 Things program was created by the Public Library of Charlotte and Merkinsville County. The purpose of this program was twofold: to give staff new tools to further their library mission, and to help staff learn about Web 2.0 technologies. In this presentation, I'll cover 5 topics about 23 things: teaching Web 2.0 technologies in conjunction with 23 things, continuing staff education in conjunction with 23 things, the versatility of the 23 Things program, furthering a library's mission via the 23 Things program, and applying the 23 Things program to more than just the library staff. To understand the 23 Things program, it is important to understand what Web 2.0 is. There is no single definition for Web 2.0. It has many meanings. One of the most common definitions, however, is the use of the World Wide Web technology and web design that aims to facilitate creativity, information sharing, and most notably, collaboration among users. These concepts have led to the development and evolution of web-based communities and hosting services such as social network sites, wikis, blogs, and folksonomies. There are many examples of Web 2.0 technologies on the Internet. Examples include Twitter, which is a microblogging site, social networks such as Facebook, Second Life, and MySpace, blogging websites such as LiveJournal and Blogger.com, file sharing and collaboration sites via sites such as Google Documents and also Google Calendar, photo sharing sites, and tagging technologies that can be used for both photos and blogs, video sharing via YouTube and Google Videos, podcasting, which is notably used via iTunes, which uses Apple technology, RSS feeds, which allow users to customize the way they view their news, wikis, most notably through Wikipedia.com, but there's many open source technologies which use wiki technology to share a variety of different topics. Teaching Web 2.0 technology in conjunction with 23 Things was meant to be an introduction to Web 2.0 technology. It is a self-paced program which allows students and staff members to learn at their own speed. The program was originally designed to be 9 weeks, but students can learn at their own pace, and a lot of libraries let staff complete the 23 Things program in as much time that they need. This allows self-reflection via blog entries. Many libraries allow anonymous blog entries, which allow staff members to be more open with their thoughts and reflective about what they learn. 23 Things can be implemented as part of a staff education program. It is very important for librarians throughout their career to continue their education, as librarianship is such a changing career. It's important to create goals that go along with the library's strategic plan. If it doesn't help customer service and your goals for the future, it shouldn't be included. Therefore, it's important for some libraries to pick and choose things from the 23 Things program, which help further improve their strategic plan. Relevancy is the key to encourage participation. Management should always relate how Web 2.0 technologies relate to librarians and how librarians can use this technology on the job. For example, if Second Life isn't widely used by your community, you shouldn't implement it just because a lot of other libraries are doing it. Many people have asked, how does the library administration encourage participation among staff in the 23 Things program? An important thing is to create incentives. The original 23 Things program did just that. If librarians and staff feel it's worth their time, they'll participate more. Incentives can be used via prizes or certificates or just praise. It's important to relate how 23 Things can improve both internal and external communication. 23 Things can improve internal communication through the use of blogs and wikis to collaborate ideas between team members. It can also improve external communication by advertising, library programming, via social networking sites such as Facebook and Twitter to relate to an audience that the library might not reach. It's important to relate how 23 Things can improve answering patron questions about Web 2.0 technologies. As the internet continues to develop, a lot of communication continues to go through Web 2.0 technology. There will be many patrons coming in asking about this. It is important for staff to be knowledgeable of this technology to be able to answer patron questions. It can also improve teamwork among staff. The 23 Things program was meant to be collaborative. Getting staff members to work together on this program is a great way to improve communication. Many results to surveys have showed 23 Things works when it comes to teaching Web 2.0 technology to library staff. During a Web Junction conference on 23 Things on March 3, 2009, participants were asked many questions on how 23 Things improved education about Web 2.0 among staff. 102 out of 107 said 23 Things made them more familiar with Web 2.0 websites. 96 out of 104 felt 23 Things will be able to help them teach patrons about Web 2.0 websites. There's a lot of versatility when it comes to the 23 Things programs. 23 Things does not have to be limited to Web 2.0. Westlake Porter Public Library in Westlake, Ohio is doing a 23 Things program this year on Office 2007. It shows how the program can be related to many different technologies that are merging, not just Web 2.0. Another way libraries can change the 23 Things program is to do in-depth looks at Web 2.0 topics. For example, a library can do a 23 Things program on blogging and how that relates to their library. It is important to continue to relate how 23 Things furthers the library's mission. It's very important to continue to relate how 23 Things fits into a library's strategic plan. Relate to staff how learning 23 Things will make their jobs easier. Encourage staff to use their skills to help patrons. Patrons are always asking questions about new technology, so it's important for staff to keep up to date. Customer service is always the key. Do not implement technology just because other libraries do it. Learn about new technologies. See how your library can be the best at it. Then grow from there. 23 Things can all be applied to more than just library staff. There have been few programs that use 23 Things in different ways. There's 23 Things for Patrons, which is a program some libraries have been implementing to teach patrons about Web 2.0 technology. It helps patrons become more employable because they know how Web 2.0 relates to them. There's also 23 Things for Teachers and Academic Professionals, which helps teachers and academics connect with their students who are constantly using Web 2.0. In conclusion, 23 Things can help further a library's strategic mission and help continue to provide great customer service to patrons. 23 Things can continue to help staff education as staff continues to grow throughout their career. 23 Things can also improve patron to staff interaction as many more patrons ask about Web 2.0 technologies. Thank you for your time.